Yes, class. Actually, I needed a bit of a small break as well. So hope you had an opportunity to go through that video, which actually mentions you what you should do and what you should not do when or the traps that you need to avoid as far as if you want to file a patent, what you shouldn't do, what are the traps that are like need to be avoided for actually if you really want to file a patent. Now let me take the questions one by one. Priya Sundararajan, what if the funding is an individual fellowship? If you are getting an individual fellowship, just check out the fellowship का जो भी agreement है आपका मैम, उसमें क्या mention किया हुआ है and who owns the patent rights for that particular invention. Viren Chandan Shive has a very interesting question. I would say he is asking after application for code, he is more concerned about the software stuff. After application of a code for development of cost model using a software, will it be eligible for patent process? No. We didn't come up with the end product. Like based on that software, come up with a hardware and then it can be patented. Hardware can be patented, but wahan pe patentability criteria would be not based on the software but would be based on the hardware. Dr. Vijay Nagesh Gomma, he is asking, is there any difference between the patent right in India and a country like? Yes, definitely there is a patent difference between the patent in India and USA. The patent in India provides you rights only for India and the same for the USA. The patentability criteria are same: novelty, non-obviousness, industrial applicability. But in every country, जो हमने ये last sections देखे ना 3 to 3P वाले, जो अभी आपके सामने है slide, वो that may be a bit different in USA. Sneha Lokhande, if I file patent in India, is it valid out of India too? No, Sneha. If you have one invention, you need to file the patent invention across different countries. We have a system called PCT or convention application under which you have to file a patent in each of the countries. See, it is a costly affair. It's a tedious process to file a patent across each of the country. Yes, why should you do that? If you, for example, अगर मेरा product 10 countries में जाने वाला है and वहां पे मुझे competition block करना है, then I'll file a patent in those 10 countries. That's how it works. Actually, for the same invention, you can have patent in multiple countries. उसको आप 2 पेटेंट बोलो, 3 पेटेंट बोलो, 10 पेटेंट बोलो या कुछ भी बोलो. But then what is also important here to understand is the invention may be same. We call it family member कि इंडिया का एक इक्विवेलेंट या फैमिली मेंबर होगा यूएस में और कनाडा में जो कि पेटेंट आपको अलग देगा. Maria Acharya, sir, for my research, I am from computer science doing PhD. I create a new algorithm. No, most of the startups come up with the same option. Actually, softwares are not allowed. The coding is not allowed. Algorithms are not allowed in India. Nikhila Bhatt, what after 20 years? Does it get extended? No. It cannot be, or it doesn't get converted to. See, you're getting a monopoly for only for 20 years. It is not for the extension. This is the major difference between a trademark or a geographical indication, trade secret and patent. एक बार डिस्क्लोज करो तो पेटेंट में सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको you're getting only for the time of 20 years only. Yes, that's from Nikhila Bhatt. Sumit Kumar, after 20 years, what does this exactly mean by open for public exploitation? सुमित कुमार जी, आपका पेटेंट है तो मैं भी यूज कर सकता हूँ like without your permission after 20 years. Ajay Acharya, sir, it would be enlightening idea if you could tell us few examples of patent taken for concepts of art and commerce stream faculties and research students, as normally we hear patent. See, Ajay ji, actually, as I mentioned, there is no per se a barrier for arts or commerce student working. मैंने इसीलिए जो सारे examples बताए those are the examples which are from general life, irrespective of its arts, commerce or science. It is immaterial. It is true that patents are taken for the science and IT field. That is absolutely true, because it is scientific inventions जिसे हम बोलते हैं उसके लिए है. But then for arts you have a copyright, yeah, for like other types of IP rights as well, which I am working with a institute which is into jewelry designing. That institute has got lots of industrial designs. Why don't we think beyond patents, Ajay ji? Because as I mentioned, that's the reason I had a specific session on different types of IP rights, so that you at least understand it's just not about patents, right, Ajay ji? Yeah. Now, next question is from Suchita Bhovar. If our students invent some software with help of professor under all institutional costs, first of all, softwares are not patentable, Suchita. But then assignee, अगर आपका IP policy है, in that case, institute would be an assignee. Institute would be the legal owner as such for that. Okay, अगर IP policy नहीं है तो who files the patent? अगर वो students individually जाके patent file करता है without your information, that is pretty much possible. If a student approaches me, I don't know which institute the student belongs to. I just ask him, is there any conflict? No. Can you file the patent? Is it your invention? Yes, for me it's my business, and सामने वाला मुझे assurance दे रहा है कि it is his invention. I'll file the patent. In that case, as an institute, you won't be in a position to do anything. So that's what I'm saying. You need to have an IP policy in place. The students should know that they cannot do that on their. Forget about students. Even faculties cannot do on their own. That the faculties should be knowing it first of all. राइट अगर हमें एज अ इंस्टीट्यूशन पता है कि कौन सा पॉलिसी है, अटेंडेंस पॉलिसी 75% सबको पता है, राइट, आईपी पॉलिसी भी एटलीस्ट आपके फैकल्टीज एंड रिसर्च स्टूडेंट को पता होना चाहिए. स्मिता खैरे जाधव, व्हाट इज द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया टू बिकम पेटेंट एजेंट? To become a patent agent, the criteria as per the patent office is you need to have a science degree or equivalent degree. Science, engineering, pharmacy, biotech, or like lawyers are not allowed to appear for the patent agent exam, but technical people are only allowed. Is it possible for more than 1 or 2 people? So this is coming from Dhanashri Ravikant Pawar. For one invention, like if they have done, absolutely we have seen a case jahan pe 20 different inventors hai for the same patent. There is no barrier, at least ek inventor chahiye. Dr. Asavari Fartade, can I file a patent for tooth cleaning powder which are made up from scale of fish? Dr. Asavari, I'm mentioning my phone number here. It is already there. Maybe we can get in touch over phone for this particular query, rather than actually discussing it here, because I think you shouldn't disclose it here. It may be a problem for filing that patent ahead, because of if you have gone through my presentation, अगर आप किसी public forum में उसको disclose कर रहे हो invention को, then that may be a problem for you during the novelty. Pankaj, hi Pankaj, yes, in an application more than one. Thank you so much Pankaj for your comments here. Vishaka Thakur, my question is, are rules for patents common throughout globe or they are affected by jurisdiction? Very nice question, Vishaka. I would say the common rules are same: novelty, non-obviousness, industrial applicability. These are same for each of the countries. These are actually governed by the TRIPS, but then you have more I would say specific clauses, like in few countries, like India doesn't allow polymorph, US allows the polymorph, so those kind of things are there. Sumit, novelty potty design, is it possible to get patent for that? Because yes, Sumit, it is possible. Actually, it's a design, industrial design, that is also called as a design patent. Okay, Sumit. Similar design with different. See, actually में क्या होता है? I think I spoke about IPR enforcement yesterday. कि मेरे पास अगर rights है तो it is my duty to enforce. मेरे पास अगर rights, मेरा patent है तो it is my duty to stop everyone, but I can't stop everyone in a country like India, right? So that's the reason you can see those similar products. Does the product need to be ready while you file a patent, or can the initial Pushpa Sinkar, I would call this as a really good question. Probably I skipped this. You don't need to have your product in hand to file a patent. You can file Indian Patent Office across the world. We have a system jahan pe the moment you have any idea in your mind, you can file a patent. You have 1 year time to work on that product and come up with a complete filing thereafter. This was pretty much I think required. I couldn't. Now, Dr. Geeta Shinde, how the novelty check worldwide. So that's why you need a like I would say patent agent or patent expert to analyze. Dr. Geeta, actually when you search like आप जब literature survey करते हो, that point of time I believe you do the survey across the world actually. Like it is normal process. Like जैसे हम Google करते हैं, PubMed पे check करते हैं. Then we have some paid databases as well which cover across the world like सारे inventions या सारे research articles and all, उसमें हम check करते हैं. What does Ankita Katte, what does it mean to license a patent? Why is it done? For example, you are a faculty member, you have a great research, you don't have capacity to commercialize the product. This is very practical in case of biotech chemistry or pharmaceutical people, or even a software for that sake. You don't have the financial power to commercialize the invention, but then there is another big company who has the financial power. They don't have the idea. Then the patent gets licensed to that company, and the company actually commercializes. This is also called as a license. Now, Sumit, how and which authority is in charge of whether a design is novel worldwide? Sumit, we have the patent office which takes care of this. How long does it really take for the whole process to get a patent? Pushpa, actually, it all depends. For example, we have a accelerated process in which Indian Patent Office granted a patent in I think 6 to 8 months time as well. Otherwise, like 4 to 6 years में आपको patent मिल जाता है. That's a normal process. So there are no set rules per se, but the normal process में you need some things. या एक जो patent prosecution हम बोलते हैं, examination report आना, उसका reply देना and all. So for that, you would need some time actually. Okay. So as such, there are no set rules, but accelerated examination is available only for startups, not for everyone. So nicely, thank you so much. Take process patent if it is novel. Chetan Meher, Viva College, yes, process का भी patent मिल सकता है. Product and process. How much cost is involved in patenting? Dr. Madhu Joshi, I have my number. I can see a potential client here. So those who want to know the actual cost, patent office का एक particular cost होता है, which is available on the patent office cost, and a patent agent like me would also cost you for drafting and I would say the filing of the patent. You can get in touch with me for the specific cost. We are working on a lower cost for the educational institutions as such. Thank you. What is the role of WTO, World Trade Organization? It manages WIPO, the or the TRIPS, जिसके अंदर सारे patent acts actually are covered. How to find the patent agents? Yes, government DB करके किसी का नाम है, उन्होंने ये question पूछा है. Patent agent का list patent office के website पे है. You can find my name as well. Dr. Mrunal Bhardwaj, for a psychological test on a new construct? No, madam, it is not allowed. Asha Menon, what kind of protection do I need to go for a patent? What is the information that I need to disclose? Dr. Asha, actually it all depends on what kind of product you have actually, okay, and what features do you want to cover. Based on that, you would actually have WIPO is World Intellectual Property Organization. So for that, like that was a question from Jyotiraj Pathak. Coming back to Asha Menon's question, the information that need to be provided depends on what is that product, uski kya features आप protect करना चाहते हो, and actually you need to. So there is mostly more or less like everything is a self declaration to the government or the patent office, right? Next question is, I am not a UK citizen. Can I get a UK patent? Shilpa Arora, yes, madam. We have Indian patents, Indian inventors who have got the patents all across the world. There is no. In fact, every citizen across the world can get patent in any of the countries. Dr. Sumati Gopal, can we include computer programming under copyright? Yes, absolutely yes. India have patents of Karkuma. I don't know what is this question. This coming from Vijay Patil. Anuja Patil, what can be a patent in computer science? I think some existing I think I have already covered it actually. You know, it's software per se is not patent. Snehal Jadhav, criteria of patent agent. Yes, absolutely. I think I have already discussed this. You have to be you have to have a science degree. That's the only criteria. Indian national and 21 years of age. Asrar Siddiqui, query about flip side of patent with respect to monopoly, say a pharma company. My question today is about validity in one country. When validity is for one country, then why restriction for similar invention in other country? If the patent holder of one country does not want to file patent in my country, what is the way out? Asrar, I think there is some confusion in the question. Maybe we can have this over a call. But I'll tell you what, the company decides. For example, Pfizer decides where to file, where not to file. And अगर उसने इंडिया में पेटेंट नहीं फाइल किया है, तो यहाँ पे anyone can exploit that invention. That's what I would say for this question. Cosmetic company comes with product with traditional knowledge. Yes, it is patentable. Mohini Khandalwal, get in touch with me. This is very much patentable. Reason being कि आपका traditional knowledge है, you come up with a great new product. It's not a traditional knowledge that you are patenting. How can do literature search in the topics of consumer behavior? Consumer behavior is not allowed, Kishorji, in terms of patents. Then if you want to file patent globally, whether there is not a single term called global patent. This is from Mahantesh Kothiwale. Actually, it's just one way of filing all across the world. Okay, in terms of patent filing. Okay, but there is nothing called a global patent. आपको हर एक country में जाके अलग-अलग उसको grant करना पड़ेगा. Then let me take other questions. There are approximate costing. Galaxy M20, get in touch with me individually. Indian Patent Office and US Patent Office में costing दिया हुआ है. General costing for filing would be around 25 to 30,000 for an Indian patent filing. Scientific law is not patent, then is laws are under copyright. Scientific laws under copyright, I'll have to check. I'm not pretty sure, but I think that can be possible. Yeah. Asrar Siddiqui, मैंने आपका question already लिया है. Yes. Let me go to the next set of questions, because I'm inventing new using a new product, shampoo using haldi or any cream, then it could be patented. Yes, Jyoti Gupta, it is patentable. You can have a patent for that, provided it actually has the coverage of like it can very easily satisfy the criteria of novelty, non-obviousness, and industrial application. Okay. Chat. Wait. Let me go through the next set of questions. We have lots of messages actually on the group, so I'm not in a position to. I'm getting good comments as well from lots of. Okay, Jagrati Raut, what can be patented in the field of computer science? As I mentioned, it's hardware, not the software, or the coding is not possible. Most of the startups come to me with the coding option. Ki mere paas coding hai, then what shall I do? Before publishing the research paper, can anyone take the patent of research paper? For that research, yes, I think that is what that is what is actually available, like that is what you can actually do. Kishore Wagmare, whatever PPT, किशोर जी हम लोग वीडियो अपलोड कर रहे हैं आज भी यूट्यूब चैनल पे, आपको उसका एक्सेस मिल जाएगा. हाउ मच टाइम डज इट usually take to complete all legal formalities related to patent getting? पेटेंट फाइलिंग 2 हफ्ते में पॉसिबल है, ग्रांट के लिए 4-5 साल लग सकते हैं. New game through software, Monica Gorge, no, it is not possible. Can you put some light on why patents are more from industry than academia? Grish Gund, what's the bottleneck? I'll tell you what I would call. In fact, this is covered in my next session. But since you have already mentioned Girishji, let me put you on this for this answer for this particular question. Actually, the problem with academia is they never think of marketing or commercialization of the product. They are thinking more in terms of research papers or the credentials that you are getting instead of mark. थोड़ा सा एक business angle होता है ना उसमें, तो then you can actually go for it. And it is not like there are more patents from the industry. Rather, nowadays we have got more patents from academia. In 3 years time, we have filed more than 100 patents for academic institutions. Let me go to the next question. Okay. How to get a patent for a model developed in a research paper? Abdul Khan ji, ये इसको patent नहीं मिल सकता. Tejashri Rankhame, what if I'm working on a product which has a GI? I think this I have already covered yesterday. Okay, thank you, Swapnil for. Okay, Kavikant. When we apply for publication in journal, they take a copyright signature, and well before it is being sent for review. So after patent application, how can you publish? Will you be able to give copyright to the publication? Absolutely yes. Why not? Filing for a patent is if you file a patent, still you can give the copyright for the same. आपका patent application 18 महीने बाद publish हो रहा है, उससे पहले आपका research paper publish हो जाएगा कविकांत जी. That's what. What is topography of integrated circuits? It is a, I think, electronics or telecommunication related terminology. Elizabeth Rosen is asking. Kavita Dhoble is asking about plagiarism. I would have liked to have more clarity about this question actually. MA Gulbarga, can we file patents in other countries from India? Yes, I think this is covered. Abdul Khan, how to get a patent for a model? No, I think this is already covered. I think Vijay pattern is one new plant species as discovery. Can it be registered as a patent? No, it is not allowed. How to search manufacturer as a licensee to manufacture our product in case of pharmaceutical? That is a question from Poonam Patil. Generally, Googling would help you out. Melroy का question है, can a new product be patented? Also, can the animal model का patent मिलना? It may have some of the barriers like Melroy. Maybe we can discuss it independently. Can't we get renewal of the patent? No, not beyond 20 years. Mohini, Sneha Lokande. Okay. How to get a patent for a model? नहीं, अब्दुल जी मैंने ये question आपका cover कर दिया है. What about stipend of patent for other people? I don't understand this question, Kishorji. Nisha Devdar, after 20 years, there will not be renewal, but no one else can make little changes in it. In that case, that person can get the patent. Actually, it all depends कि आपने क्या changes किए हैं उसके basis पे. Can you mention few online courses for updating our patent knowledge? Vishakha Thakur, please call me. We have lots of courses wherein I teach a lot across the institution. For your institution also, we can design a course independently. How to get a patent? Okay, Sneha, if I have a number of patents granted on my name, any financial support for? Okay, this is really significant. I believe government has lots of scheme wherein the government takes cost of your patent filing to grant. हर चीज का cost, but there are you need to actually check with the ministries as well. मतलब आपको पैसा देने की जरूरत नहीं है. List of patent. Do we? Yes, Dr. Kishori Bhagat, we have a list of patent agents on the Indian Patent Office website. Copyright ka lawyers are the right people to file the copyright. I have to develop a machine which is based on other machines outcome. Ashish Pawar, will it be patented? Agar if it satisfies novelty, non-obviousness, and industrial applicability. What is the total approximate cost? I think that I have already covered. Thank you, Pankaj. Thank you so much. Is there any restriction on number of people who can take patent together? No, there is no restriction. Bhagya Gagri. What is the? I think this question I have already covered. I still have 300 more messages to go through. Let me I don't think it would be possible. There are lots of repetition. Let me just scroll through, and if I find anything really interesting which is not covered, um, then I'll take that question. A cost, I think I have covered. Any modification? I think this also I have covered. Thank you so much. How to get a पेट नहीं अब्दुल जी आपना का क्वेश्चन आपने रिपीट कर दिया है एक बार ही क्वेश्चन लिखिए so that I have lesser number of questions. I still have 294 messages. I think I've covered many of them. If there are any questions, maybe like, because it is really very possible to cover all these questions. Why gap is there in count for publishing patents between academic and industry? I think this also I have covered. Sorry class, I still have 300 more questions or the like the chats. Actually, I think there are lots of irrelevant like messages as well. Thank you Ajay Acharya ji, and I hope this was relevant. You can actually access to the videos that I'm sharing, as well as the class ka video bhi. I think that's what I have at least for the day for you. I of course I would love to take the questions. You can call me, or if possible mail me. That would give me more idea about your invention. If you really are interested, keen in filing the patent and all, then you can call me directly. So I kind of finish my today's session right here. I hand it over to Revati and Ashwini actually to take this over. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Yeah. So first of all, let me thank my team for this opportunity to conclude this session. Actually, the second session of FDP. Well, indeed, and another feather is added to the glory of this FDP, and we are truly thankful to our resource person, Mr. Vijay Kumar Shivpujay sir, for the deliverance of patent filing with thorough details and practical day-to-day examples, which makes the learning process very simple. I must acknowledge your energy, sir, again. As Revati ma'am has already mentioned, your energy, or you're known for your commendable energy. So I must admit that kudos to you for that. Actually, the way you maintain that energetic teacher in you till the last moment. One more part which I like personally is when you started with the example that how people often mistake a photocopy machine with a Xerox machine, and that's the basic difference between a patent and a copyright. So that was a very good clarification, and the way you dealt with each and every example after that is just praiseworthy, sir. And we're truly honored to have you here. So thank you so much, sir, for this very thorough and detailed deliverance on patent filing. One more announcement that I have to make is for the delegates specifically and for all of us, that tomorrow we'll be interacting with a guest of honor, Dr. Sandeep Kumar, who's a scientist at Institute for Space, Earth, Environment Research, Nagoya University, Japan. So we'll be getting an opportunity to explore some more things about this whole session and the process. So I'm looking forward to it, and I'm thankful to each and everyone for being this patient, and we are expecting the same cooperation from each and everybody who's involved in this whole process of learning. Until then, with this very aspiration, I would put a full stop to this very session that will resume tomorrow at the same time as today. And till then, let's enjoy this journey of learning. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, everyone.